Chasing you like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, burning, going down. Chasing you like those goodbye taillights, headed west, anywhere out of this nowhere town. Chasing that freedom, chasing that feeling that got gone too soon. Chasing that you and me, I only see in my review. Yeah, I'm laying here tonight, holding someone new. Still chasing you, still chasing you. Burning, going down, burning, going down, burning, going down. Still chasing you, still chasing you.
Hey guys, Ashley here. Welcome or welcome back to a brand new video. If you are new here, I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel. That's also 2 uploads per week. As you can see, I'm giving you an overview of my dirty kitchen. We're going to tackle that room first. I got to put a little bit of groceries away that I got from Aldi's, but you know, today is basically a tidy clean with me, just trying to wrap things up, get my house looking quite normal as possible. But I do want to quickly say thank you so much for choosing to watch my video today. And I do hope you enjoyed today's motivation. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, or give it a comment down below, share it out, help our channel grow. And, I'm tackling the countertops first, and then I'm going to be putting away the clean dishes, which is on top of the stove and the left side of the sink. So what I do is dirty is on the right side of the sink, left is the clean side. As you guys can tell, I do not have a lot of countertop space to put a dish drying rack on there. But yeah, so I don't know where I was going after that. But yeah, so that's what I do. Left is clean, right is dirty. I do not actually, sorry, the baby. I do not actually show myself washing the dishes in today's video because, to be honest, I had just gotten out of the gym and a little bit of grocery shopping, and I was tired and hungry because I forgot to eat before I went into the gym. So I was just trying to get the kitchen all tidied up and clean so that way I can start the video and, feed myself, give myself something to eat, and also feed the baby some lunch. So anyways, I think I'm done chit-chatting for now. As you guys can see, sorry, he's watching a very exciting show right now. Sorry, guys. I'm moving. So yeah, as you can see, I made the baby some chicken nuggets, and then I'm going to give him that, and then we get back into tidying up this kitchen. And, all right, let's get the music going.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Well, it was supposed to be a quick tidy up. I don't know what happened, but I think it was because I seen all of the powder and the sugar, all over the countertops. I think I was just making sure nothing was underneath anything, like about to like crystallize and stuff like that. So I just wanted to move everything and just wipe underneath it very quickly. And then I realized, I haven't wiped down this hood vent in a very long time. I look up and it's dusty. So I wanted to spray that down, and as I was spraying that down, I was like, I haven't wiped down the cupboards in a long time, so I decided to wipe down the cupboards too. Just a quick spray down, and then just go over them and scrub them really quickly, give it a little bit of elbow grease. And then after that, we move on to tidying up the dining room / game room area.
Last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you love to fight, and I say shit I don't mean, but I'm still gonna wake up wanting you and me. I know that last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was the last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was the last night. We let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. We break up, I see your tail lights in the dust. You call your mama, I call your bluff. In the middle of the night, pull her right back up here. My friends say let her go. Your friends say what the hell, I wouldn't trade your kind of love for nothing else. Oh baby, last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. We said we had enough. I can't remember everything we said, but we said too much. I know you packed your shit and slammed the door right before you left. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was the last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was the last night. We let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night.
So here it is. Here's the dining room. Just gotta clear this off, put things back where they belong, throw things in the trash, tidy up the background a little bit. I do have my oldest pick up his mess because, like I said, I was a tired mama that day. So as you can tell, I look a little bit different. Still the same day. I ended up eating some lunch, feeding the baby. My oldest got home from school. I took a shower, threw on some new clothes, threw my hair up in a ponytail instead of a braid. My hair does look different. I did put highlights in it. I had help from my niece and Cisco and Courtney. It took 3 people to do my hair. Oh Lord, that was a chaos in itself. Never gonna do that again, let me tell you. But anywho, I'm just going to tidy up, put things back where they belong. I did get a new phone. I ordered it off of Amazon, so I was actually pretty excited about that because it came in early. I got the iPhone 11. I know it's not anything fancy, and well, no, you know what? It is fancy. I just know it's not the newest one, but it's new to me, and I can get wide angle videos now because Courtney's phone, she has it, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to copy her because she gets the good angles, so I want to get the good angles too for you guys. So I'm just tidying this up, taking the trash, picking up the toys, having my oldest come in and pick up his mess. And then we go and do the same thing in the living room, but we also vacuum after we are done tidying up this room and the living room. We are actually getting this done pretty quick. I do hope you are enjoying today's video. Like I said earlier, if you are enjoying it, please just give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling very generous, please share it out and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. But yeah, I'm just trying to clean up underneath the TV area, put things back, and then after I am all done tidying up underneath here, I get into vacuuming, which I'm just going to push the ottoman over quickly, and then we vacuum the carpet, the floor, and then we vacuum the dining room floor, and I give you guys an overview of everything all nice and clean, which I'm now realizing I never gave you guys an overview of the kitchen, and I don't know how that happened. But the kitchen is clean, I promise. The dishes are done in there and everything like that. But it feels so weird that I didn't give you an overview. Like Courtney and I, we love our befores and afters because it's very satisfying to us. And we know a lot of you guys also love them too. And I am so sorry I didn't give you guys that for the kitchen, but I do hope I make up for it with the dining room and the living room.
You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in the dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the weak, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head make me forget I'm such a mess. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin. I'm on the brink of my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it, still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin, and now I'm overdosing. You're my oxytocin. I put the rescue all on you. As we lay in your driveway, you look at the stars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you close. As we lay in your driveway, like we're chasing cars, with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you closer. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.
Okay, guys, and that will wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Stay tuned for Courtney's video next Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I post on Thursdays between 12 and 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, bye, guys.